Hey y'all, and welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, and well, Miss Bonnie Faye is sitting here at my foot. She is sniffing me down like a dog would, because I have been over at my sister's today, and you know, she's got her dogs. We decided, today we were gonna play with my hair. So my sister did my hair today. She put some product in there, helped bring some curl out of it. What do y'all think? Do we like my hair curlier or the frizz ball it normally is? Okay, so thanks to my sister for doing my hair and making my kitty very curious as to why I smell like the dogs. She should know them. They come and stay here, you know, when she's on vacation. Anyway, today I have a mintMONGOOSE package. mintMONGOOSE is a jewelry subscription. Once a month, you get 3 pieces of jewelry. Hang on, I've forgotten how much it cost. I'll put it down below, or I'll have it pop up on the screen or something to tell you how much it is a month. Now, you do have add-ons that you can get, extra pair of earrings, a ring, a t-shirt. T-shirt is $9.99. I do the t-shirt. So, came in this pretty shiny package, and then they have the t-shirt wrapped up here. Let's see what we got. Now, she does do themes. This is a mama-owned business, and she always puts a Werther's Original in there. I love that. I think it's a cute little touch. She gets her idea. She has the jewelry made. She has the t-shirts made, and she has the cards made. And they're all a theme. And then on the back of the card, she tells you a little bit about her inspiration for it. A lot of times it's her family, her kids, something like that. Let's see what this shirt is. Stay on course, don't forget your way. This is super cute. I love it. I love the beach theme with the sailboat. Look at the sun with the, like the map thingy compass. I love that. So these shirts are always nice and comfy. I love wearing them. And let's see, of course, you know, it's the same as the t-shirt. It says, our inspiration. Hi there, this month's set is inspired by finding, knowing, and investing in your way. You don't need me to tell you life is crazy. That goes without saying. Every day, we encourage a new batch of things fighting for our attention. Loud, colorful, bright, big and bright things are always competing for our mind. Did my jeans smell that much like dog? My goodness, I'm sorry. We all have a why that motivates us to push through and challenge ourselves to accomplish whatever it is we are currently striving for. It could be kiddos, family, religion, friends, a goal, a hunger to accomplish something specific, or even a multitude and mix of many different things. There are times when my why is not my natural focus. There is nothing wrong with this. It's called being a human. But it is important that we can identify when it's happening and correct the steering wheel, making sure we stay on course. This month's set is a tribute to your why. The angles of the gems are intended to represent a lens striving to keep you focused on what it is that drives you. The daintiness and gray tint of the set was not by accident either. Sometimes our perspective of our why can get clouded and blurry on the shuffle of our life. While some days our why is not the thing right in front of our faces, but rather something we need to put some effort towards and remain focused on. I hope this set helps serve as a gentle reminder that fighting to keep your mind, heart, attention, and actions on a path that gets you where you need to be for your why is important and a necessity in accomplishing the goals that you have set before you. Whatever special thing it is that motivates you every day, it is the hope that wearing this set makes you smile, because it will remind you of your why. Helena, the mama behind the mongoose. And then it shows you, you know, your little hint of your jewelry there. You can actually request all silver or gold. I've just let them send me whatever. And I love the Mint Mongoose stamp, y'all. I think that is super cute. Just a card, thank you. And then you got your 3 pieces. So here you have a little dainty chain. I was trying to decide if those were, yeah, they're just little beads, like silver or gold beads. All right, so here, uh-oh, I dropped one of the little backs. I'll find it eventually, one of these days. All right, here is where the gray tint comes in the gem. That's what I was looking to see if that was on that necklace. These are pretty, look at that, y'all. Isn't that cute? So cute, I like these. I just think this box is just a nice little happy each month. It's not expensive. You get a set of jewelry, matching jewelry. So if you want to do the subscription alley, this is a good way to just start out. All right, give me a little back so I don't lose those. You know me, I will lose everything. All right, let's go to this last piece. And it just hangs, and it's that same stone. Isn't that pretty? Take this one off. I was wearing my set that Laura gave me, and it's stuck in my curly hair. Okay, here we go. Let me put this one on. What are you doing, Bonnie? Says I hear that bird. I think that's a woodpecker making that noise. All right, so there is this set. Now I did actually this month also pay to get a random past set. And the bad thing is this is a set that I have already. So what I'm gonna do is put this in a giveaway that I have coming up. So I'm not even gonna open it. I will give y'all a little look at what it was. Just the one with the leopard on it. I think I did a video on it. I will try to link it above. I'm not even gonna open it, y'all, because I want to send it just like this in the giveaway. So that is what I got from mintMONGOOSE. Miss Bonnie Faye has joined us just at the end. You know how them kids are. They never perform on cue. Yeah, so I forgot to give you a look at the shirt on. Not moving everything to give full length, but here's the shirt. It's super cute. Yeah, I'm just sitting up in my chair, y'all, because I'm too lazy to move everything and show you a full length because I've got all of my stuff here. I've got a lot of work to do. It's like 4 o'clock already because I spent all day at my sister's. So I just wanted to give you a look at the final jewelry with the shirt. I'll see y'all later. You'll have a wonderful day and God bless.